Absolutely. There's a Monopoly Man. Hey, look, they got candy buttons there too. They're the bigger ones. Just a minute. Gotta get this. Gene Wilder, born Jerome Silverman, born right here in Milwaukee. This restaurant's here in West Allis, which is in Milwaukee County. Always gotta respect Willy Wonka and Gene Wilder. Sure. It keeps dropping coins in here. You want to try it?
And then you gotta come down to shoot. So you could win a card or you could win a coins or little tokens. No, I just want to
There's nothing to it. It's one of my favorite movies growing up with Gene Wilder. I love it. Space Invaders. That's old classic game. It's like watching War Games with Matthew Broderick. Yeah. My mother and I played this at the Wisconsin State Fair a few years back when it was raining.